Hello, my name is Laura Wilcox. I'm the Director of the Business and Management Programs here at Harvard Extension School. If you are watching this webinar, you are probably exploring the idea of going to school and learning more about different programs and degrees. I want to ensure that you are informed and find a program that supports your personal and professional goals. To aid in your decision-making process, I will help answer a question I am often asked, which is what is the difference between an ALM and an MBA degree? Let's get started. For illustrative purposes, I will compare the ALM degree offered at Harvard Extension School, which represents a flexible, broad-based management program, with the MBA degree offered at Harvard Business School, which represents a full-time, top-tier MBA program focused on management. The ALM degree at Harvard Extension School, as well as the MBA degree offered at Harvard Business School, offer core and foundational courses in management and finance. You have a flexible program at Extension that allows you the option of completing your degree in 1.5 to 5 years. At Harvard Business School, it is a traditional lockstep 2-year program. To complete the degree at Extension, you need 48 credits, and at Harvard Business School, it is approximately 126. Students at Extension come to the program with 7 to 10 years of experience on average and are 33 years old. At Harvard Business School, the average age is 27, with approximately 2 to 6 years of experience. Cost is a big differential between flexible and traditional management programs. At Extension, a course costs approximately $3,000 as compared to a traditional program where they can run as much as $5,000 to $15,000 a course. Extension has a very unique admissions process where you prove yourself before you get into the program. We want to make sure you can do the work needed to complete a degree before you invest more of your time and money. Almost all other schools have a traditional model where you get admitted into a program and then you have to prove your academic prowess. At Extension, we offer many different course formats and pedagogical styles. At HBS, they only offer in-person classes taught through the case method. When you graduate from Extension, you earn an ALM degree from Harvard in Extension Studies, compared to an MBA degree from Harvard in Business Administration. At Extension, you are the driver in creating your experiences and your successes. For admissions, if you complete the pre-admissions courses with a grade of a B or better, you have proven that you can do the work and can get into the program after you apply. It is a real meritocracy. It takes a lot of guesswork and waiting out of the admissions process. For clubs and student life, we offer a lot of options and realize you come to our program with a very busy lives. You can decide how much you want to engage in extracurricular and social events in addition to the ability of creating your own. For career services, we offer seminars, advising, career fairs, but we are not a feeder into select industries the way top-tier MBA programs may be. You get to choose the courses that augment and support your personal and professional experiences by selecting courses that either delve deeper into key areas or help fill in gaps. This choice allows you to have a very powerful conversation with future employer. In addition, you have shown to a potential employer that you can not only complete a Harvard degree, but you can do so while working full-time and balancing family and friends. When you indicate that you've graduated from Harvard Extension School, you are highlighting that you have the focus, fortitude, and intelligence needed to help solve some of the biggest challenges facing us today. Should you decide that Harvard Extension School is the right fit for you, we would welcome having you as part of our community. The world needs you, and we hope to see you.